Exciting news. I have my first sponsor. Like I'm sponsoring a pilot. So I'm sponsoring Blue FPV. We're going to be sending him. He's going to be the first person other than me to get the first 5-inch. I call it Le Push. It's a French drone. Basically, it's just like a bigger discus. And the way I made the discus, you can kind of have it like this or like that. But I really like the idea of having a super light 5-inch that you could actually do as a pusher, put your action cam on top. And this would be the perfect kind of drone to do like chasing drift cars and stuff. The frame and top plate weigh 52 grams. So that's lighter than an AOS 3.5. Yeah. So that's going to have some crazy power. It's 4.5 millimeters thick. So it could go 5 maybe, but it feels solid. It's super tight, nice and strong. It's going to be it's going to be fast, and Blue's going to find out how easily it breaks. And I will too. We'll see. We'll see if it takes a beating. Because if it's anything like the discus, because it's basically like a bigger discus, the bumpers protect those motors. They protect the frame and everything. So I'm hoping it'll actually be good and not just destroy itself super quickly. But just me and him are going to be flying them for now. I'm giving him a discus and another one so that he can do a little giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to Blue FPV. Blue FPV, yes. We redid the whisper. So basically I took out all this because you can make prints that hold everything, so you don't need to have a strap through it. And then it still has the holes, so what you can do is you can make a 3D print. You can mount the 3D print from underneath and still be able to do all this stuff. Or the other way around, you could mount things underneath and still have that. And it's stronger around these side holes, so it doesn't like the first one did. That's up to a 2-inch, and then this is a 2.5-inch, the Psycho. Blue FPV has basically been the biggest help in our little community. He's designed some of the boots for the discus, some of the prints to be able to have your Runcam thumb. Just great guy, very helpful, always helping people, and English isn't even his first language, but I also find it like great to see him like in Germany flying.
Upsi. Könnte eigentlich ganz gut hinkommen, oder?
Sharing it with other people, making crazy prints, and seeing like 2 of my frames with 2 German people flying around. It's just been really fun. And I've seen him also firsthand when I see him flying the discus, because it's so nicely tuned and balanced and everything. I literally saw his skills like just get better faster, and the joy that he had out of it and the joy that he brings to us. So that's the kind of people we want in our community, that I want flying my drone. It's exciting. I'm barely getting by, not super successful or anything, but you got to help the people that are helping you. So thank you, Blue, for helping me out, and everyone in our little community knows Blue. So he's a good guy. I'll put a link to his channel in the description so you can subscribe to him. And I don't know, I thought that was something nice and fun to share with you guys. And congratulations, Blue. I look forward to growing more together. And if you're German, just especially subscribe to him.